Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to fix PS4 controller stick drift. First, try a hard reset. Turn off your console, then use a small tool like a paperclip to press the recessed button on the back of your controller for about 5 seconds. Afterward, connect it to your console with a USB cable and press the PlayStation button to resync. This often resolves minor software glitches. Next, let's tackle physical debris. Ensure your controller is powered off. Take a cotton swab, dampen it with a small amount of rubbing alcohol, and carefully wipe around the entire base of each analog stick. Move the sticks in circles as you clean to expose any hidden dirt or grime. This simple step can remove surface-level obstructions causing drift. If external cleaning isn't enough, compressed air can help. With your controller still off, push one analog stick fully to one side. Then, spray short bursts of compressed air into the exposed base on the opposite side. Slowly rotate the stick while spraying to dislodge any trapped dust or particles. Remember to keep the can upright to avoid moisture. For persistent drift, you might need to open your controller for a deeper clean of the internal sensors, often called potentiometers. This requires a small screwdriver and careful handling. If the issue remains, the analog stick modules themselves might be worn out and require replacement, which typically involves soldering. If these steps seem too complex, professional repair or a new controller are good alternatives.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.